Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce our narrowband ad-hoc repeater. Here are all of our accessories. We will show you how to install them. Then we'll put our narrowband ad-hoc repeater on the backpack. Finally, we'll make the voice call with our handheld radio. So, here is the main body of our ad-hoc repeater. This one, the battery. These two are our RF antenna. This, the power supply and the cable. The handheld microphone, the Ethernet cable, and the handle. And lastly, the backpack and our handheld radio. Firstly, install our battery. You can see we can slide and we can lock it. Then you can tap here, it will show the battery power here. Then we will show you the details of all the ports. These two are our antenna port. This one is our Ethernet cable. This one is for charger. This one is for our handheld microphone. This button is for power on and off. Next part, we will show you how to install all the accessories. Here are our antenna. Next part, install our palm microphone. Next, Ethernet cable. Then, the charger here. We need to make sure the blue point will match another blue point. We'll install the handle on the back of our ad-hoc repeater. We'll put the whole thing on the backpack. Then we'll put our ad-hoc repeater on our backpack. Okay, so we can carry our ad-hoc repeater on our backpack. It is very flexible and convenient for mobile operation. Team A, roger that. Team A, roger that. So for sure, our ad-hoc repeater is also compatible with our handheld radio.